these are two questions I get asked all the time, about me being transgender. Questions I get that I don't understand why people ask. So the first one is, what's your dead name slash birth name? Because at the end of the day, my name's Clayton, and like respect that. So like if I tell you my dead name, which if you watch my YouTube channel, Clayton J on YouTube, I talk about it all the time. There's my dead name. Go watch. But I don't know why people want to know my dead name or birth name or whatever the hell you want to call it. Because at the end of the day, why are you going to call me that? That's not my name anymore. So like, why do you really want to know? Because you're not going to call me that, and if you do, that's rude. That's very disrespectful. Second question I get asked is, do you have bottom surgery? No one really cares about top surgery. Like, I finally got it. I'm like, yeah. Like, now someone's gonna ask, you got breast, and I'm gonna be like, no, no. But no one cares. Everyone always asks for trans guys. Everyone always asks, do you got bottom surgery? So who cares if you got a chest? It's always, do you got bottom surgery? Do you got bottom surgery? Which, two things. First of all, I have asked other trans people that, but I feel like it's because I want to get educated and I want to learn. And if they have, I want to ask them, like, hey, what kind of bottom surgery you get? What kind should I get? So it's kind of, there's a reason why I asked it. I want to know which one I should get and blah, 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 blah. But for a cis guy or a cis girl, that has nothing to do with me, that's never going to, like, not even friends, like, online, like, they're like, you got bottom surgery? Like, they're not want to get educated. They just want to know for some reason. It's like, even I could lie to you right now, I could lie and just be like, yes, and you're never going to know because I'm never going to show you anything under my pants, if that makes sense. So I don't understand why people ask that. And same with my dead name. Like, you don't know my dead name. I can just lie right now and say any name. Any name. But yeah, I just don't understand that. I mean, I always answer it. My birth name I don't like saying on TikTok. There's a lot more hate on TikTok than YouTube, but I have it all over my YouTube channel if you want to find out my birth name, if that's such a big deal. And bottom surgery, no, I do not have bottom surgery yet, but I just don't understand why people ask that. It's a weird question, I feel like. Mostly when you're never going to see it. I'm never going to show you. It's the only person that's going to, like, completely know by looking is me or my partner. But yeah, those are two questions. Comment down below what you think.